Here we have kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia. First, you have the anterior abductor muscle, which is here. You have the anterior foot retractor here. You have the posterior muscle. You have the posterior foot. You have the auricle, which is here. This mass here.
Where is it? Is this what it is?
Can you get a clear shot, please?
Oh God!
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. That's where the eyes.
You have the digestive gland, which is in the stomach, which is this green part here, and here.
And will.
Okay.
You have the gills, which is here.
Where is the
You have the gonads, which is inside the stomach, which is a different color, almost like an orange yellow. You also have the intestine, which is this flap here. This is the intestine. You have the kidney, which is here. Next, the kidney is like a blackish color. You have the lines of growth, which is here and here on the outside. You have the labial palps, which is here. Labial palps? Sorry, labial palps is here. You have the mantle cavity, which is the space inside the shell. You have the mantle, which is this membrane here. You have the mouth, which is this opening here. You have the paleo lines, which is here on the paleo muscle. You have the posterior abductor muscle, and you have the posterior foot. You have the stomach, which is this part right here.
Okay.
You have the umbo, which is here. And you have the visceral mass, which is everything but the foot,
Okay.
which is here.